That's when I found the Innova 56100OBD2 scanner. You get full vehicle scans for engine, ABS, airbags, body, and steering, plus real bidirectional testing so you can command fans, pumps, valves, and solenoids to prove what's bad instead of guessing. You also get OEM-level live data and essential service tools like oil reset, battery reset, parking brake service, TPMS relearn, steering calibration, and ABS bleed on supported vehicles. No subscriptions, no yearly update fees. I use it in my shop and sometimes grab it over my $5,000 scanner. They're running a deal right now, so check it out in the link below.